Hi guys, Alec, Peirce at the ranch, working once again on my windmill, my 100-year-old BD pumper windmill. And Diane and I, just now, as a matter of fact, it's early in the morning, pretty chilly out here, and we just today got the final part of the rod, the pump rod, what they call the sucker rod, connected. So everything's working. Everything is working. Are you ready? Takes a couple of strokes because I have a weeper hole to drain the pipe. So every time I stop pumping, the pipe drains out. But it doesn't take long. That's water. See right there? Fresh spring water. Just that simple. I have a couple other neat devices I'll show you quickly. This is great if you're going to take a drink or something, but if you want that water to go into a trough, which is close by, and you get one of these neat devices. This is a genuine BD pumper as well, and it's a neat little device. You can see what it is. It hangs, it also spins, and this little nozzle is actually threaded for 1.25 pipe. So you just fit that on like so, and you can turn any direction you want, wherever the cattle trough is. Run a piece of 1.25 pipe to the cattle trough. Now, when you pump the water, it goes into that little bucket thing, and comes out the side into your 1.25 pipe. It runs off to water the cattle. Just that easy. Now this is for people that don't have a three-way. We talked about the three-way earlier. On this particular pump, we have a three-way. So we can flip this lever over like so. And now the water stays down below and it runs off in a different direction. So you can actually put a pipe underground if you have a three-way. So the only thing that's left now is hooking up the windmill. And that's pretty easy. The windmill spins, the rod goes up and down, and this rod is for the windmill. And this little spring-loaded device goes on like so. See? And there's a 2-inch wooden rod hooks to that, and the windmill pulls it up and down. And so nobody gets hurt. You simply pull that pin, the handle drops down, disconnects, and the windmill pumps. Anyway, there you go, guys. The pump is finally finished. Lots of work. But only because I wanted to make sure it was perfect. This has to last another 50 to 100 years, hopefully, and I think it will. Okay, we'll see you some more. I'm going to talk more about the windmill and the pump. Talk to you soon, Alec, Peirce at the ranch. Bye-bye.